What is the secret of meditation? Now, a lot of us meditate just to have a silent mind, and we never really inquire into why are we doing this in the first place? Are we just using meditation sort of as a band-aid solution for our busy life? Or is there actually a deep secret within meditation that we have never considered? And yes, there is a deep secret within meditation that we've never considered that we find in the Eastern spiritual traditions, which, coincidentally, are the traditions that gave birth to meditation itself. So, when we look at meditation, we look at meditation as something that we do, right? So we do meditation in the morning. We do meditation before we go to bed at night. We may engage in Tai Chi Chuan, or we may engage in Hatha Yoga and these meditative practices. And we say we do Tai Chi, or we do Hatha Yoga, or we do Zazen. We're doing meditation, right? So the person is doing meditation. That's how we commonly think, right? So me, Jason, I meditate every day. So meditation is something I do, apparently. Now, this is an incorrect way of actually viewing the process when we go through the spiritual process and we engage in meditation on a daily basis. The reason being is because the secret of meditation is not that meditation is something that you do. Meditation is who you are, and the person is what you do. Now, this is a complete backflip in the way that we think, right? The way we engage in meditation and the way that we think of ourselves in general. But when we look at it from an Eastern spiritual perspective, our nature is meditative. Our nature is meditation. Our intrinsic nature is an equanimous mind, a meditative mind, which acts appropriately and immediately to each and every situation. It is a mind of no deliberation. It is a meditative mind. That is the natural state of mind. The person, on the other hand, is an accumulative process. This sense of self that we believe we are is an accumulation of all of the conditioning we've had over a lifetime. This is what we would call in Sanskrit the jiva, this persona or person we believe we are, which is bound to the samskaras, the subconscious, the subliminal impressions and mental impressions, and also the vasanas, the habits and tendencies that we're constantly caught in, which leads to our karma, our action and our unconscious actions. So this is the jiva, right? This is the sense of person that we believe we are. So we're caught in this trap of doing the person because we have accumulated all of this conditioning from birth. And we've been told that this is who we are. Our society is trying to reassure that this is who we are. We are a part of all of this socialization that we've gone through. We are our religion, our nation, our race, our gender, so forth and so on. The football team we follow, this is all who we are. And society is trying to reassure you of that because that keeps society alive. They don't want you to wake up. They don't want you to realize the secret within meditation, which is meditation is actually who you are. Who you are at the ground of your being is this completely tranquil and reflective state of consciousness, which is completely empty and silent and allows life to come into it and experience life with no agendas and beliefs. They all come, the agendas and the beliefs come from this thing that you do, which we refer to as a person. That's where all the problems become. From your natural state of meditation, you don't have any beliefs, you don't have any agendas, your mind is completely equanimous, and you experience life effortlessly as it truly is, without any of these agendas and beliefs getting in the way of seeing reality as it truly is. So that's the great secret within meditation that a lot of people don't consider. And it's something that you have to firmly grasp within your mind if you are engaged in meditation practice, because meditation is who you are. The person is what you do. And the process of meditation is supposed to loosen the grip on that person, on that jiva, because you realize that all of those emotions and all of those things that supposedly define this person you think you are all an accumulation and are all a reaction and action of all of the beliefs and the conditioning that you think you are. So we're trying to loosen the grip on that, and eventually when you come back to your meditative state of mind, is to allow those beliefs and those conditioning to slowly subside and eventually evaporate from your mind, and allow your mind to be what it truly is: empty, spontaneous, and free. You see, this is what meditation does. It frees all of that content and accumulation from your mind to bring your mind back to its natural state, which is empty, spontaneous, and free. It's not stuck to this or that, this belief, that experience, blah, blah, blah. It's completely meditative, because that is who you truly are. Meditation is your true nature, and the person is what you do. So we have to come to that conclusion, and when we do come to that conclusion, we will be who we truly are and live in the world that we ought to live in and that we all deserve. Shanti, shanti, shanti.